Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use your Merithub, how to schedule the meeting on Merithub, and I'd like to demonstrate the features available in your Merithub and how to use each of the features in your Merithub. First of all, you need to go to the website Moodle for Teachers and then go to Merithub practice area. And here you need to turn editing on. And here you can add an activity or resource. Click on Merithub session. Title, you can write the title of the session, for example, love. You can describe it, time zone, for example, I'd like to find Asia. Okay, Asia, Tehran. 1 September 2021, auto record no, and here you can set participants controls. Allow participants to download recording audio control, video control, or writing control. It's up to you. Then save and display. As you can see here, we have the information of the meeting. You can see host link, moderator link, participant link. Here you can see the participants, you can find recordings and attendance, or you can cancel. Just I'm going to click enter. Here you can check your audio and video, or you can skip. Here you can see lots of features. For example, if I click on people, you can see the participants, setting. Here you can for example, regarding whiteboard, you can download it, you can clear boards, you can pop up chat or clear chat, you can lock room or breakout room. For example, if I click on it, I can make rooms, for example, 2 rooms, duration in minutes 15, manually or automatically. But because we don't have users, so couldn't find any users, just manually. And here default access audio and video, and it's up to you. Allow participants to leave room at any time. Assign moderator role to first participant. Here, so we have 2 rooms, and manually they can you can send them to room 1 or room 2 and then create. Just I'm going to cancel it. And here layout, you can change the layout. For example, whiteboard, just you have whiteboard. gallery. Here, if I click on it, on chat, is public chat, is private chat, and if you have if you want to ask question, you can click on it, ask your question and send. Drive, also your files are stored in your drive or also public. Here you can find some files here. Chat again, and if you want to leave the meeting, just exit. And again, I just like to change the layout. Here is my board. I can change the background. I can add text. I can erase it. Again, I can write something and then I can select it and move it. Here I can download as PDF. Here again, there is pencil. I can write. I draw something. And if I want to share a screen, just click on it. I will click on screen. For example, window. Now I can share my PowerPoint. Then you can stop sharing. And again, if I change layout again, here also you can show your reaction. You can turn on your audio, and here you can turn on your camera. I think that's all. Thank you so much for your attention.